The environmental movement has been building steam for, the past 20+ years.
The pressures that we're putting on natural resources and ecosystem services is growing every day.
This isn't something that's going to pass. The issues that we're facing as a society and as a global community are not going away.
We've been thinking about what it means to be green, what it means to be responsible.
And we need to find a way to consume and produce smartly, and working together we can figure it out.
One of the greatest challenges right now with product sustainability is a lack of information.
How do you measure the environmental aspects and the social aspects of the way that you do business? And how do we make sure that people are all measuring them the same way?
And if you have competing standards or inconsistent standards, then you really don't have a sound basis for making that decision.
The Sustainability Consortium's mission is to develop the science and tools that are necessary to improve decision-making about product sustainability across the supply chain.
The multi-stakeholder approach that the consortium takes is absolutely essential.
It's a membership-driven and membership-based organization made up of governments, academics, industries, and NGOs, all coming together for a common cause.
Consumers are expecting businesses to take the lead. They expect that we are responsible stewards of the planet and that we make goods in the smartest way possible.
The issues we are facing are very, very big. They're global.
It could be things like climate protection, corporate social responsibility, product safety issues.
Everything that you buy from us, you're going to take home and plug in. So that means we have to be concerned about energy and how energy gets used.
So it's critical for us today, knowing that we do not have the resources to be experts in everything, to find an outlet where we can work with third parties and partners.
We can collectively move this agenda forward much more quickly than we could on our own.
The number of sources and avenues at which information is being shared is enormous.
There's massive confusion on the customer side. The reason that we're part of the Sustainability Consortium is to cut through that eco-babble.
The consumers look for something that's credible, that they can trust, and that's not overly complex.
So there are really two activities that the consortium is undertaking. One of those is research to help understand what the impacts are and what the right ways to quantify those impacts are.
And then to say, how do we communicate that to folks who aren't life cycle experts?
And then the second is standards within a given product category or within a set of product categories for how you implement those measurements in a cost-effective way.
If we didn't have a ruler, we wouldn't know how long to make things. So standards are really the basis on which you can make claims and which you can take credit and which you can innovate.
Well, the Sustainability Consortium is organized around particular industry sectors.
Those sectors are doing scientific analysis and understanding in their areas because the science base and the understanding is in fact different. Whether you're doing consumer products like personal care products versus electronics.
We also have 5 consortium-wide working groups that deal with issues that are applicable across sectors.
Helping us envision a system that is doable but credible at the same time.
Consortium is taking a very pragmatic, science-based approach to looking at our entire supply chain and finding a way to be more efficient and produce goods in a smarter way.
The progress that we've been able to make and the dialogues that we've been able to create are incredibly exciting.
But we definitely have an opportunity to increase enrollment through companies, to increase our global reach.
I believe as we begin to produce results that these in fact will have a real and positive benefit on the environment and on society.
It's challenging work, it's exciting work. I think it is the most exciting business opportunity of our time.
It's not only the right thing to do, it's something that we simply must do.